Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make zip file in CodeIgniter framework and download in our local computer. This is very simple tutorial. In this we will use CodeIgniter zip library. By using this library, we can generate zip file of multiple images and download in our local computer. Now, let's start discussing this topic. This is our CodeIgniter working folder. In this first we have to set base URL of our CodeIgniter application. So, we have go to config file, and here in $config, base URL variable, we have define our CodeIgniter application URL. We all know, CodeIgniter is MVC framework, so, here for learn this zip file topic, we have already create zip file class in CodeIgniter framework, and HTML output zipfile.php in views folder. First we have go to zipfile.php controller file, and here we have create index function. This is root function of this class. Under this method, we have write $directory variable is equal to download folder. Here we have already created this download folder, and in this folder we have store some images. We will load images from this download folder, and display on web page. User can select which image he want to download in zip file. After selecting image, user can click on download button, and selected image will be download in zip file. Below this, we have write $data images variable is equal to glob function. Under this function we have write $directory variable with star.jpg extension. This function will return all image with JPG extension, which has been stored under $data images variable. Now, we have write $this with load object with view method, with two argument like zip file view file, and $data variable. On zip file view file, it will fetch download folder file data from this $data variable. Now, we have go to view folder zip file. In this file first we have write form tag with method is equal to post, and action is equal to base URL function slash zip file controller with download method. So, when form has been submitted, then it will send request to download method of zip file controller. Under this, we have write for each loop, and under condition, we have write $images variable as $image variable. This loop will fetch images data from this $images variable. Under this loop, first we want to display images, so here we have write image tag with source is equal to base URL function with $image variable. It will display image from download folder on web page. Below each image, we want to put checkbox selection for select image, so here we have write input type is equal to checkbox, with name is equal to images, class is equal to select, and value is equal to $image variable. So below each image, it will make checkbox. In each checkbox value, we have store each image location, and this select class will use as selector in jQuery code. For submit form data, here we have write, input type is equal to submit, name is equal to download, and value is equal to download. By click on this button, form data will be submitted to download method of zip file controller. Now we have go to jQuery code, and here we have write, $with checkbox class select with click event, so when we have click on checkbox, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have write, if statement, and under condition we have write, this dot checked, if checkbox has been checked, then this block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose, above condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write, $this selector, parent method, .css, under this we have set border property. This code will assign this border property to parent division tag of checkbox, so on every checkbox check, it will assign border property to each parent division tag of checkbox checked. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code. Under this, we have write $this with parent method, .css method, with remove border property. This code will remove border of unchecked checkbox, parent division tag. Friends, here we have write, CodeIgniter base URL, /zip file controller, then on web page, we can see images on web page, which has been displayed from download folder. When we have checkbox of any image checkbox, then that division tag border has been changed, and we have again unchecked checkbox, then that division border has been removed. Now we have proceed for submit form data. Now we have go to zip file controller, and here we have make download method, it will receive form submit request. Under this method, we have write, if statement, and under condition, we have write, $this, with input object with, post method, with images name. If this variable value has been set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write, $this with load object, with library method, and this method, we have write zip, this code will load CodeIgniter zip library. After loading zip library, we have write, $images variable is equal to, $this with input object, with post method. Under this we have write images, here we have store, images variable data, under this $images variable. Below this, we have write, for each loop, and under condition, we have write, $images variable as $image variable. By using this loop, we can fetch data from $images variable. Under this loop, we have write, $this, with zip library object, with read file method. Under this we have write $image variable. This method will read the content of file, and add it to the zip. By using this loop, it will add all files into zip. After adding all file, now we want to download zip file. For this, here we have write $this with zip library object with download method. Under this method, we have defined file name. This method will download zip file in our local computer. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh page. After refresh of page, we can see images on web page, which has been displayed from download folder, and below each image, we can see checkbox. When we have click on checkbox, then that image division tag border color has been changed, and when we have unchecked checkbox, then division tag border has been removed. Now we have check, so image checkbox. After selecting multiple images, now we want to download all files in zip file. For this we have click on download button. After click on download button, zip file has been downloaded in our local computer. In downloaded zip file, here we can see images which we have select for download, so this way we can make zip file from multiple file, and download in our local computer. By using this tutorial, we can add zip file download feature in our CodeIgniter application. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.